Hello, my name is ILYA and I fly FPV drones. Here we have a variety of different sizes of drones, from big one to a small one. Let's start with this drone. This is a cine lifter. This can carry red Komodo or other cinema cameras. This specific camera is Netflix approved. This drone is great for high-speed chasing, cars, boats, other vehicles. This is also great for anything other high speed. If you want to dive the mountain or a building, you name it. Just go in high speed, super cool. Now let's move on to this drone. This one can carry red Komodo as well, but it's a little smaller package. It has protection, so it's perfect for flying around talent, close proximity to things, indoors, slower speeds. It's something that you can fly between trees, inside, tight corners. On this side we have drones that carry action cameras, from big ones to small ones. With the bigger one you can do high-speed chasing. This one is really acrobatic, so any fast movement, whipping around. Here we have similar drone that can go pretty fast, but it has protection. So if you're flying in open area and you need to chase somebody on a vehicle like a motorcycle or a bike, this is really good because it has guards for protection. Here we have two small drones. These carry small action cameras and it's really good for flying indoors, close proximity. You can fit this in small gaps, so anywhere these other drones can't fit, this will do it. To sum it up, with these FPV drones, you can capture unique shots that are impossible to get with any other equipment, and that will help to bring that new spice to your video and bring it to a next level.